Testrite has been designing, engineering, and manufacturing in the United States since 1919. When COVID-19 hit, we realized we were uniquely positioned to manufacture items in scarce supply. Let me show you an example. At 3 p.m. on a Thursday in March, we decided to make hand sanitizer stands. By 5 o'clock, we had a prototype. The very next day, the unit was available for sale online. Within a week, we designed, engineered, and begun manufacturing 5 different versions of a hand sanitizer stand, each performing a different function. Within a month, we were supplying 1,000 units a day. As the world was shutting down, we were ramping up production. We bring the same speed and capability to our retail partners. What separates Testrite? We have over 2,000 standard products to build from for your custom project. Whether you need 1,000 graphic stands in 3 weeks or 150 custom sign holders for your window, Testrite has the products and capabilities to deliver. All of our products are proudly manufactured by us in the USA with clear communication and fast shipping. Thank you for putting your trust in a 4th generation, family owned and operated American manufacturer.